Tonight, I'm going to show you how to make Crackerjack fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Last Sunday was National Fudge Day, and today is the anniversary of the first recorded organized baseball game played on June 19, 1846. I thought I'd celebrate by combining a super simple 2-ingredient fudge with one of the standout symbols of baseball, Crackerjack. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Crackerjack fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For the Crackerjack, I used 11 cups of popped popcorn, which is exactly how much popcorn comes out of this microwavable bag, 1 cup of peanuts, 1 1/4 cups of dark brown sugar, 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter cut into pieces, 1/4 cup of dark corn syrup, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted peanuts, you can leave this out. For the fudge, 2 2/3 cups of milk chocolate and 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. I also used a large bowl, a baking pan, some parchment paper, a saucepan, a spatula, a candy thermometer, an 8-inch square pan, and a microwave-safe mixing bowl. Okay, let's make some candy. Make the popcorn using a microwave, stove, air popper, or whatever your favorite method is. Set your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the popcorn and peanuts to the bowl. Don't just pour the popcorn in. That'll add unpopped kernels to the mix, and we don't want that. Let the popcorn cool, then transfer it a handful at a time, making sure you don't pick up any unpopped kernels. Place a saucepan over medium heat and add the brown sugar, butter, corn syrup, and salt. Once the mixture comes to a boil, put a lid on the pan and leave it for a minute or two to wash down the sides of the pan. This reduces the chance of crystallization. Remove the lid and add your thermometer. Cook, stirring gently but frequently until the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the caramel sauce over the popcorn and peanuts. Stir it thoroughly so everything is coated nicely. Spread the popcorn and peanuts evenly in the baking pan. Put the pan in the oven to bake. Every 10 minutes or so, remove the mixture from the oven, pour it back into the bowl, mix it, put it back in the pan, and return it to the oven. I repeated this 3 more times for a total of 40 minutes in the oven. Your cook time may be different depending on your oven. Remove the popcorn and peanuts from the pan and let it cool completely. Line the 8x8 pan, then add a layer of Crackerjack and set it aside. Pour the milk chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk into a microwave-safe mixing bowl. Microwave it for about a minute, then give it a good stir. If the chocolate hasn't fully melted, give it another 15 seconds in the microwave and stir it again. Repeat this until everything is melted and mixed. Pour the fudge over the Crackerjack and spread it evenly. place it in the refrigerator for 3 hours or until set. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Oh, I like this. The fudge is nice and creamy. The Crackerjack gives it a chewy crunch, and the chocolate and caramel flavors go really well together, as I'm sure you can imagine. If you're looking for a new way to enjoy fudge, especially while enjoying our national pastime, you really ought to try these. Where I help you make tasty treats that blah, 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 blah. Which is exactly how much popcorn? Yes, popcorns. 2 2/3 cup of bleh.